That pickup came out of nowhere. You were halfway into your turn, tractor, combine, maybe you were pulling a wagon, doing what farmers in La Crosse County do every day. And now there's twisted metal, flashing lights, and probably someone saying it's all your fault. And here's what's coming next. The insurance company is already working the case. They're going to say you didn't signal soon enough, you turned too wide, maybe you should have seen them coming, even if their driver was speeding, even if they were passing in a no-pass zone, even if they never slowed down. This is exactly where farm equipment accident laws in Western Wisconsin start to matter, and where a La Crosse farm accident lawyer can help make or break your case. Because if you handle this wrong in the first few days, you can lose the case before it ever starts. Here's what you need to do. I've been handling serious injury and farm vehicle cases across Western Wisconsin for over 20 years. I've taken on big insurance companies, and I'm not afraid to try these cases in front of a jury. Let me give you the 3 things you need to know right away. First, do not assume you're at fault just because you were driving farm machinery. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see. Farmers have the same right to use the road as anyone else. In many cases, it's the passing driver who actually caused the crash, especially when they try to beat you, pass on the left during a turn, or simply don't show respect for slow-moving vehicles. Don't admit fault at the scene. Don't guess, just stick to the facts. Second, preserve evidence immediately. That means photos and videos of everything. Your equipment, their vehicle, skid marks, debris, the approach to your field or driveway, the type and size of the crop in the field. If there were witnesses, neighbors, other drivers, try to get names and phone numbers. Because once those vehicles are moved and the road is cleared, the story starts to change, and the insurance company will build their version fast. Third, do not talk to the other driver's insurance company without advice. They will call you and probably do it quickly. They'll try to sound friendly. They'll say they just want your side of the story. But they're really doing is locking you into statements they can use against you later. You don't owe them a recorded statement, at least not right away, especially if someone else was seriously hurt or killed, because in those cases, farmers end up defending those claims as well as pursuing their own. This is where things can get kind of complicated. You've got injury claims, you may have liability exposure from your own insurance company, you've got damage to your equipment, and sometimes multiple insurance policies are in play. You need someone who understands farming, rural roads, and how these crashes actually happen. If you've been involved in a farm vehicle accident around La Crosse, maybe West Salem, Holmen, or anywhere in Western Wisconsin, just reach out. Call or text the number on the screen. I'll talk with you directly, walk you through what happened, and help you figure out what your next steps should be. Because out here, we take care of our own, and I take these cases very seriously.